Hey guys, welcome back to our Java programming course. We explored arrays in Java, which allow you to store and manipulate multiple values in a single variable. Today we are going to dive into strings, one of the most commonly used data types in Java. We'll cover the string class and its methods, compare string builder and string buffer, and learn some essential string manipulation techniques. By the end of this lesson, you will be well equipped to handle strings efficiently in your Java programs. So let's get started with the string classes. In Java, strings are object, okay, that represent a sequence of characters. The string class is immutable, meaning that once a string is created, it cannot be changed. Any modification creates a new string. Let's move to the program, how it will be changed. In this example, we create a string called greeting. String called greeting. Okay. Here I'm going to type hello world. String should be in the string should be declared within the double quotes only. So, and use several methods provided by string class. The length method we are going to use to return the number of characters in the string. I'm using the length here. And length is equal to greeting dot length. Then I'm going to print the length here. Then I'm going to use another class which is caret. It returns a character at a specific index. So char first character I'm going to take, so which is greeting dot caret at in the first. Okay, I'm going to print this thing which is first character. Then I'm going to use the two uppercase and to convert the string to uppercase. So for this one, string string to uppercase is equal to greeting dot to greeting dot to uppercase. I'm going to print this thing. You can see how it was working. We're using several methods in the string class. I'm going to run this program. You can check it is the 11 length character. Okay, so I'm going to print the first character at the specific index which is 0. So I'm going to convert the string to the uppercase, this here hello world. Then we are going to string methods here. There are some key points or key methods in a string class, which is length, caret, substring, and two uppercase and two lowercase. These are some important key methods. So length is used to return the length of the string. Caret is used to returns the character at a specific index. Substring, it is used to returns a new string that is a substring of a string. So two uppercase and two lowercase, which is convert a string to uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Equals, which is used to compare the string to the another string. Replace method, which is used to replace occurrence of a character with another character. So now we are moving on to the string builder and string buffer. So both classes are used to create a mutable strings. Okay, meaning you can modify the string without creating a new object. The key difference between the two lies in synchronization. String buffer is synchronized and making it as a thread safe method, while string builder is not. So just now I'm going to write this example how you can do the string builder and string buffer, create and modify the string. You can use the both string builder and string buffer. So first I'm going to write string builder sb, okay, is equal to new string builder. Here I'm going to type hello. Then I'm going to append. Append is nothing but is also a method is used to add the existing string. I'm going to add world here. Then I'm going to print SB, how the string builder was working. Then I'm going to write the string buffer to which is string buffer, right? SBF equal to new string buffer. Here also I'm going to write hello, then SBF dot append. Here I'm going to add the same thing, which is world. Going to print the SBF here. I'm going to run this program. Okay, just wait. Yeah, now we can get the proper answer. In this example, we use the both string builder and string buffer to create a modified string. The append method is used to add more text to the existing string. Both produce the same result, but string buffer is a thread safe, meaning it is better suited for multi-threaded environments. So when to use the string builder and string buffer? Uh, String builder, which is used to when you need to perform multiple modifications on a string in a single threaded environment, you can use the string builder. Otherwise, in a multi-threaded environment where thread safety is concerned, you can use a string buffer. So some string manipulation techniques I'm going to show how it was working, such as concatenation, splitting, and replacing character or substrings. Okay, so let's move on to the string concatenation. So I'm going to take this thing. I'm going to write some program. I'm going to declare a string which is called first name John. Okay, then the second name, sorry, the last name. Do. Then I'm going to use the string full name, which I'm going to print it here. First name, which is concatenation. So I'm going to print the full name here. You can check how it was working. Here it has shown some error. Yeah, okay. There is the error. It's this one. I'm going to run this thing. You can see John Doe. In this example, we concatenate first name and last name using the plus operator to create the full name. So the plus operator or the concat method, for this purpose you can use the both things for string concatenation. String concatenation is nothing but to adding the strings, and I'm going to the next one, which is splitting the strings. You can split a string into an array of substrings using the split method, which is useful when you want to separate a string based on a specific delimiter. Specific delimiter means a specific conditions you are going to split it. So I'm going to write here string sentence equal, okay, sentence Java is fun. Okay, so in this string I'm going to split it by the space words. Okay, sentence dot split method, I'm going to use it here. Here you can change it as space. You can split the string by using the specific delimiter, which is space. I'm going to use the for each method, convert this thing and save it as a new string. So this is the method for each. I'm going to use words. In this I'm going to type word to print. In this example, we split the string sentence into two individual words using the space character as the delimiter. The split method returns array of strings. which we will then print one by one. You can see it in the console. Java is fun. Okay, sentence dot split, you can see here. Now you can see how it was working. Yeah, Java is fun. And replacing characters or substrings, you can replace characters or substrings within the string using the replace method. This is useful when you need to make some specific modification to a string. So let's move on to the example, which is string text is equal to I love you. Okay, sorry, I love Java. Okay, this is the thing. So in this thing, I'm going to replace the Java and add it as a new word. Add a new word, which is programming. Okay, this replace text. Okay, text. This is the string name, which is replaced text. This is the method. Sorry, replace Java into programming. I'm going to change the string. So system.out.println replaced text. Now I'm going to run this program. You can check. In this example, we use the replace method to replace the word Java with programming. The result is new string where the replacement has been made. You can see here I love programming, which is changed. Some key points to remember in the string manipulation techniques, which is concatenation can be done using by the plus operator or concat method. The split method is useful for dividing a string into an array based on a delimiter. The replace method allows you to replace characters or substrings within a string. These are the strings in Java. Today we have covered the string class and its methods, compared string builder and string buffer, and explored various string manipulation techniques like concatenation, splitting, and replacing. Strings are fundamental part of Java programming, and mastering them will make your code more effective and easier to work with. And in our next lesson, we will dive into methods in Java, including defining, calling methods, overloading, and recursion. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. And happy coding. Thanks for watching, guys.